which is pre-order traversal. So in pre-order traversal, the root node is visited first. So we had seen in order. In order means it will be going in order. That is first left, then root, then right. Here, pre-order means first we will be visiting root. That's the only difference. Root, left, right. So we are visiting the root node, and root is considered as a the first one to be visited. So we are giving it as root, left, right. For post order, root will be visited last. So that's the only difference. So here we have to think only one thing, that is we have to print the root first. So in order, we were root was very responsible. It will make sure that both its left and right is printed first, and then only it will print itself. Now, as soon as it reaches root, it will be printing itself. So it's very arrogant. So it will be printing my own duties. That is, root will be printing itself, and then only it will think whether its subordinates left and right is printed. Understood? So here, in this traversal, root node is visited first, and then the left subtree, and then the final right subtree. So same algorithm, we will be writing visit root node first, recursively traverse left subtree, recursively traverse right subtree. That's all. You remember in order we had written the same step, but you just reverse the order or change the order. So in order we were visiting the left subtree, then visit root. Same thing. No, we are writing in different order. So the lines will be the same. You are writing the order as visit root node first, then recursively traverse the left subtree, then recursively traverse the right subtree. Very easy if you remember these three things. What are the order, three orders, that you just remember. So in this example, as we were telling, now what we have to print first, you write down that root, and then the left, and then the right. So when we reach one, what will be the first node which will be reaching for or for this operation? What will be the root we will be giving? Will be the node which we will be passing. We will be passing the root node. So when we reach at 1, it will check. So what is the order for the pre-order? For pre-order, the order is first it has to print the root. So what will be the first node to be printed? It will be printing. It will be printing 1 because it is the root, right? Then only it will check whether all the nodes of left subtree is printed. Then it will move on to 2. So when it move on to 2, it will understand that 2 is the root node of another subtree, right? Standing at 2, we will understand it is the root of this subtree, right? So standing at 2, what it will think? Now I am root, so I will be printing myself. So 2 will be printed next. After 1, it will be printing 2. Is it clear? After root, we have to print left. So from 2, we will take left. So when it reaches 4, it will check. So reaching 4, we understood that it is again a subtree. It is the root node of that subtree, which is having a left node, or it is having a left subtree. So reaching at 4, it will understand that I am a root. So what it will do? It will print itself. So after 1, 2, it will be printing 4. Is it clear? Standing at 4, now it will try to print the left subtree. Which is a left subtree? Left or right, anyway, it will be becoming the same only. So it will take this path, and then when it reaches 8, it understood that it is a subtree, or we can tell it as it is not having any left and right. It is a subtree where 8 is the root, but it does not have any left and right. So what we have to print? Print the value at the root, which is 8. So we will print 8. Now we will go back to 4. 4, we have printed a root, we have printed left, and we don't have any right for 4. So we will go back to 2. Reaching 2, we will check root is printed. Pre-order means first root, right? Root is printed, left is printed. Then we have to print right. What is in right? Right is 5. So we will print 5. Now we have finished root left and right of this subtree, which is at 2. Now it will go back and retract and reach 1. Standing at 1, again it will check for the pre-order. What is the pre-order? Root 1 is already printed first only. Then it will check whether the left subtree is over, Then it will check whether the right subtree is not over. So it will take right. When it reaches 3, it understood that I am the root node of the subtree. So it will print 3. Now 3 will think that I should be printing. In pre-order means after root we have to print left. So it takes left. When it reaches 6, it understood that I am the root of the subtree. So root has to be printed. So it will print itself 6. Reaching at 6, it will, after printing itself, it will check whether my left subtree is printed. Left subtree, which is having 9. So standing at 9, left subtree we can print. It is not having any left and right, so we can just print 9 because it is the left of 6. After printing 9, so we will go back to 6. This is the root. Left is over, root is over, left is over. Then it will print the right. Which is in right? Right is 10. Then, so 6 will make sure that it has printed 6, which is the root. And in pre-order, we have to print after root, we have to print left and we have to print right. So it is over, its duty is over. So it will go back to 3. So now 3 will see, I have printed myself, root is over, left is over. Now what is at the right? Right is 7. So it will print now only this 7. Okay, understood? After the left subtree, then only it will print the right subtree, which is 7. Right node is having only 7. So now from 3, it will go back to 1. So it's all is over. From 1, we have, when we check, it's 1 itself is printed, left subtree is printed, and also the right subtree. Nothing to worry in each step. When we reach each node, write down again, root left, right. So if it is root means you check at the position itself, you check whether I have printed root, then whether I have printed left, and then whether I have printed right. Okay. So if you want to see that video animation, I'll just click on. Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 or 2 examples we'll do. So this should be the order. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm not able to stop. So we will do another example. The same thing, you know, what 3 graphs what we had done before. The same thing we will do now for the pre-order. So who can tell me now? Start. Tanvi only start with the
Ma'am, I will tell.
Anyone? Akshaya.
Hello.
So we will reach F now.
F.
So which will be printed?
Then B.
Pre-order. F.
B.
F after that.
B, ma'am.
B.
B. Then
After
A.
1 second. After B. B for Bangalore, right? Okay. Then?
Yes, ma'am.
A.
A. Then D.
D.
Then C.
C.
Then E, ma'am.
Okay.
Then G.
G.
I, H.
When it try to see left, it is not there. Then right. So I. And then it will print
H.
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 Okay. F, B, A, B, C, E, G, I, H. Is it clear for everyone? Okay. Then now the next one. Who can answer? Anyone? Only 3 examples I have kept. This will be there for all the tests what we go for. No, that pre-order.
Post order, ma'am. Post order you want, ma'am?
No. Pre-order. Post order I didn't teach you also. Okay. Nothing to teach, but that order we have to check. That's all. Pre-order for this graph. Teja, why are you sitting quiet? Teja, you tell now.